Kashmir is not just a place on the map. Kashmir, where each snowflake has a story to tell. And each flower in the meadow blooms with the fragrance of tradition and heritage. Kashmir is a canvas painted with the colors of nature. Where every season has a different story to tell.
I am currently in Muzaffarabad, the capital of Pakistan-administered Azad Kashmir. With a centuries-old history, Kashmir represents a fusion of Asian and South Asian traditions.
Food is an important part of the cultural heritage of Kashmir. Whenever the food of Kashmir is mentioned, Wazwan comes to mind. The final ceremonial banquet of Kashmir is the Shahi Wazwan. Its dishes consist of more than 36 varieties, most of which are prepared from mutton. Srinagar, the capital of Indian-administered Jammu and Kashmir, is miles away from here, which is the cradle of Kashmiri tradition, culture, and civilization. Kashmiri cuisine has its own place in the world. This civilization is gradually disappearing in Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir, due to the distance and closure of the two regions. The Neelum View Hotel in Muzaffarabad, the capital of Azad, Kashmir, is keeping this culture alive.
We have been cooking Wazwan at Neelum View Hotel for almost 10 years. Sheep meat is used in Wazwan. 30 to 35 types of food are made from mutton meat. This is a very labour-intensive work. We start working on it 2-3 days before any royal banquet. It requires a lot of work, especially on gosh taba, tabak maz, rista, ab gosh and Rogan Josh.
मुख्तलिफ समझो इसमें गोश्त डेरे का गोश्त ज़्यादा बनती है, ठंडू का ज़्यादा चलता है इसमें, तो मुख्तलिफ समझो इसमें जो रान का गोश्त में बीच में से निकलता तो वो समझो मुताबिक के लिए जाता है और तबक माद पस्ती हो जाता है.
The cutting process of meat is very important for Wazwan. Different parts of it are separated with great skill from which different dishes are prepared.
तबक माद बनता है इसका, ये आगे
Tabak maz is made from these ribs.
ये जबरदस्त चीज़ है, माशाल्लाह बहुत प्यारी चीज़ है ये जब खाएंगे आप तो पता चलेगा क्या कोई आए ना खाए देखे कश्मीरी खाने के मुकाबले में यही खाने.
Kashmiri food is top-notch. When you eat it, you will know that it is really royal food. There is no comparison of Wazwan.
Yem pacha traun Azad bekes masal yat ma traun pat bad oil traus es lokche oil traus dalchini traus es yat ma yem masal es trawa god isho tabak maz.
I am currently preparing tabak maz and Rogan Josh. Just adding spices so it can simmer with meat that will enhance the aroma of food.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. आप किताबों का गोश्त तैयार हो गया है, आप इसमें मसाले वगैरह सब कुछ डाल गए, आप इसके बॉल बनाने का टाइम आ गया तो हम बॉल बना.
Now the meat is minced, spices have also been added to it. Now we start the process of making gosh taba.
मसाल इंशाल्लाह मगना कशीर पे ये बना मसाल खास बना कि कुछ साथ पे देर सवेर गसान दूर पे श्रीनगर पे मगना क्या ये मसाल मिलान कह मसाल वारिया असल क्या मसालों सोरी वथान ये मसालन सोरी कमाल मसाल मेंटेन कर बोड़ चीज.
Spices play a major role in Wazwan, which enhances the flavor of food. Sometimes we don't get good spices from here. We have to order it from Srinagar, Kashmir. Great care has been taken in the quantity of spices in Wazwan cuisine. Only a skilled chef can properly maintain it.
I have been working in Neelum View Hotel, Wazwan Kitchen since 10 years. Tourists come here a lot. On the demand of tourists, we have built a new restaurant in which we serve some Wazwan dishes. Every year, a lot of tourists come from Pakistan and other countries, and they love to eat Wazwan.
براك أحمد عمل مراقبة هنا الأغذية. نيلم فيو الوازوان هو طعام ثقافي من كشمير حيث يقدم تحضر حوالي 40 أنواع من طعام.
My name is Ashfaq Ahmed. I am holding the responsibility of food controller in Neelum View Hotel. Wazwan is the cultural cuisine of Kashmir, in which around 40 varieties of food are prepared. We are keeping this culture alive at Neelum View Hotel in Muzaffarabad, the capital of Azad, Kashmir. All the dishes of this food are prepared from mutton. All the distinguished guests from the government of Pakistan are treated with this food. Prime ministers and presidents are also included in these guests. Our hotel has this honor, and we get the opportunity to entertain guests from other cities and countries. We welcome all the visiting guests and hope that they will like this culture of Kashmir.
There was a lot of fun and good food not found in Dutchland. I like Goshtaba and Rogan Josh very much now. I want to eat sweets.
Kashmiri food is best cuisine. It should be in the top 10 cuisines of the world. And Goshtaba was my favorite dish, so everyone should try it.
जब से आया हूँ यहाँ पे तब से कश्मीरी खाने ही खाया है और मैं अभी तक उसकी लिस्ट रुकी नहीं है इतने खाने के समझ नहीं आ रही.
I have never eaten such food since I came to Kashmir. It was so much fun. There were so many dishes that I couldn't understand which dish to eat. So much fun food had different flavors. Really enjoyed it.
लेकिन ये जो आज हमने शादी में खाना खाया है इसकी कोई मिसाल आप नहीं है मतलब कि इस पे लिटरली वो वाली बात पूरी हो रही है कि पेट भर गया और नीयत नहीं भरी अभी भी बंदा ललचाई नजरों के साथ दोबारा टेबल की तरफ देख रहा है और ये देख.
There is no example of what we ate at a wedding today. I've satisfied my hunger, but the craving persists. I consider myself lucky that I ate Wazwan's food today. People from Pakistan and abroad must come and eat this food. There is really no match for these foods.
जैसे ही हम कश्मीर के कल्ब में हमारा खाने पकाने का सफ़र इख्तिताम पजीर होता है वाज़वान के जायके बाकी रहते हैं.
As our culinary voyage through the heart of Kashmir concludes, the flavors of Wazwan linger, a testament to the timeless traditions that bind communities. In every aromatic bite, we've tasted the essence of a culture steeped in history. May the echoes of Wazwan continue to resonate, a flavorful reminder of the rich tapestry woven by generations in the majestic valleys of Kashmir.